The gaming stack includes Bingo Cash, Solitaire Cash, and Cash Giraffe. These game apps offer a blend of engaging gameplay with the potential for players to secure real cash prizes, but keep in mind that successfully earning money from these game apps can be based on skill and luck, and winnings are not guaranteed. Number 1. The first part of the gaming stack is Bingo Cash. This popular online bingo game allows you to earn real cash rewards on your own schedule. Sign up for Bingo Cash. You can easily sign up for Bingo Cash by downloading the app and creating an account. You can then start playing bingo games, earn money with cash games. Bingo Cash allows players to earn real cash rewards from certain game modes. Your reward for winning will be a portion of the game's prize pool. Bingo Cash is free to download and play, but you may need to use real money to join the cash games. Number 2. Solitaire Cash. You can add Solitaire Cash as the second part of the gaming stack. This game app has a modern twist on the classic solitaire card game, offering you an opportunity to win real cash prizes. Play for free or for cash. The game offers both regular and cash tournaments. Players can win real money from a prize pool by participating in the cash tournaments. Enjoy a well-designed app. Solitaire Cash has a smooth and modern feel with classic Klondike solitaire game elements that players love. Solitaire Cash is designed by Papaya Gaming and is available for free download. It provides a fun and potentially rewarding gaming experience for solitaire enthusiasts. Number 3. The third part of the gaming stack is Cash Giraffe, an Android app developed by Just Dice that rewards users for trying out new games and apps. Earn rewards for your time. Earn points for each minute you spend using a featured app on Cash Giraffe. The app tracks this automatically in the background. Redeem your points. The points you earn can be exchanged for gift cards or cashed out through PayPal. Cash Giraffe is free to download and use with no hidden fees or costs, making it an easy way to earn rewards while discovering and playing new games. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.